guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I like to pack. I'm going to show you all my tips and tricks. Alright, so the first thing I do before I travel, I sit down on my computer and I look at my schedule. So for this particular trip, I'm going half of the trip for work and the other half is for pleasure. So the first 2 weeks is all Monika Blunder Beauty, and I have different events and I'm meeting editors. So I look at my schedule and then I'm going to print out the schedule on a piece of paper, just like that. And then I can highlight the days where I have events and what nights I have dinners. And now I can really visualize and see how many outfits I need for that particular part of the trip. And another thing I like to do is, because I have the date right in front of me, so this trip starts next week on Monday for me, so I can go on the weather app in Germany and look what the weather looks like, and I add the temperature on each day. And then again, I know exactly if I need an outfit for a rainy day or for a sunny day, so it makes it really easy for me to figure out what I need to pack. And one other thing I like to do before I start my trip or before I start packing is I write everything down in my notes app, and I call it Packing for Europe as an example. And what I like to write in that part of my note is like the big things that I don't want to forget. As an example, a gift for my nephew's daughter, my headphones, download movies for my iPad, all my Monika Blunder Beauty gifts and giveaways that I need to pack. And that's really helpful for me when I start the packing process. So this is my list for Europe. I call it Packing for Europe, and I love it on the Notes app because I can manage it out of my computer and from my iPhone. So when I'm like out and about and I'm thinking about my trip, I can just add things to my list. Makes it super easy. This is the third part that I also use my Notes app for. It's my visual catalog. Obviously, I do this after I'm done packing, but I pick the most important outfits that I need for my events. I take a picture and I copy and paste it into my Notes app. This is how I get these outfit photos into my notes. All you do is select a photo, then press and hold on the outfit, and you will see that option pop up where it says copy. So click on copy, then just go to the notes and click paste, and it will show up. This is the easiest way to organize outfit photos. Of course, Valentina showed it to me. All right, so now the way how I like to pack is, obviously I've known about this trip for quite a while now. What I do is I bring out my clothing rack, and I usually have this in my office in a different room, and I hang all my potential clothes that I want to bring on the clothing rack, and then I sort of like, you know, really think about, like I showed you earlier, about my events, my dinner nights, all the different events I have to go to, and then I edit, and then I do like one more walkthrough and make the final decision on what's going to make it into the bag. And I also take the photos. So I take the most important outfits, I take a picture, and I copy paste it into my notes. So the way how I organize my packing is with packing cubes. I'm a huge fan of packing cubes. And my shoes, I like to put into those cute little duster bags that you get when you purchase shoes. And I do the same thing with my bags. So I really love this insulated bag by Wellinsulated. This is my cosmetic bag, and I do bring some full size. I'm bringing my body oil in full size and my face oil because I'm going to be gone for 5 weeks and I'm going to go through this. And then some of it is travel size. My cleansing balm is travel size. I'm bringing the Shani Darden serum with me. I'm bringing a full-size perfume. I'm also bringing some travel size perfume because I love different scents. My travel size Oribe texturizing spray, and then my travel size micellar water I have with me. and just very simple. I kept my skincare and my cosmetic bag super simple on this trip. Obviously some makeup wipes if I'm in a rush, and I'm also bringing some of these 101 Skin eye masks with me, which are really great. So this is my makeup bag. I'm actually going to bring 2 makeup bags for this trip. Again, I'm leaving for 5 weeks. Normally 1 would be perfect, but I'm planning on shooting some content and some tutorials there, so it's a little bit more than usual, but I really edited it down. There's, you know, my whole MB Beauty line is in here, every shade, and then I have some other things like a setting spray with me. I'm also bringing my mirror, a Tom Ford highlighter, just like, you know, the basics. But yeah, and I love these bags because they're so soft and they're great for traveling. And my brushes are in a separate bag, which is really nice, and that goes on top of this bag, just like that. Okay, again, my jewelry, I lay everything out first that I want to bring, and I edit it down to what is necessary for the trip. And then I have this really great little travel bag that I don't know where it's from. I got it as a gift. I love it for traveling, and this is all coming with me. Okay, so we are done. I have my travel outfit here for tomorrow for the plane, and then everything is packed. This is my check-in bag. This is going to be my carry-on and my carry-on. And I'm packed, and unfortunately I can't bring you, cutie, but I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm so excited for Europe.